Good morning to all my dear students. In our last class, we have learned the dihybrid cross and we have completed all the three laws of Mendel, that is the law of dominance, then law of segregation and law of independent assortment. In our today's class, we are going to discuss the sex determination method. Now, let us first define the sex determination, that is, what do you mean by sex determination? So the process by which sex of newborn individual can be determined is called sex determination. Now in some organisms, external factor like temperature at which fertilized eggs are kept will determine the sex, that is male or female. In some other organisms like snail, individual can change their sex. In the above two mentioned example, sex is not related to genetics or chromosomes, so it is not determined genetically. But when you talk about the sex determination mechanism in human beings, then it is determined by chromosomes. So, genetically we are determining the sex of the newborn. Now, there are 5 factors by which the sex of the newborn can be decided: whether the Y chromosome is present or absent, the nature of type of the gonads, the nature of the sex hormone released, the internal genital organs like uterus is present in female, then penis is present in male, and the external genitalia. So, these are the basic points which are helping in sex determination. When you come at the level of genetics or chromosome, then we are knowing that we are having the 23 pair of chromosomes, out of which 22 pairs are similar in both an male and female, and these similar chromosomes are called autosomes. So, out of 23 pair, 22 pairs are autosomes which are helping in designing your body, and male and female have the same body designs, that is your face is made up of same features, the number of bones is 206, two arms, two legs, one stomach. So, these are all the 22 pair of autosomes which are designing the basic design. The 23rd pair of chromosome is called sex chromosome, and it is different in male and female. In male, the sex chromosome is XY, and in female it is XX, right? So, that means the males are heterogametic. Heterogametic means when they will form the gamete, which is the sperm, then 50% of gamete or the sperm will have X chromosome, and remaining 50% of the sperm will have the Y chromosome. Whereas when you talk about females which have the XX as the sex chromosome, they are homogametic, that is all the ovum which are formed in the female body will have X chromosome. Thus, the sex of the child is determined by the type of sperm which is going to fuse with the ovum at the time of fertilization in the fallopian tube. Again, mark it, at the time of fertilization which occurs in the fallopian tube, the fusion of sperm and ovum will occur, and that fusion of sperm with ovum is going to decide the sex of the child. Now, let us say if the sperm with X chromosome fuses with the ovum, you can see here in the figure, the first sperm is having the X noted on it, and when it is fusing with the ovum which has X, then it will give the combination of the zygote which is having XX. So, this zygote is going to develop into a female child. Okay. Now, let us see the second sperm which is having the Y chromosome in it. When this sperm with the Y sex chromosome fuses with the ovum which always has the X1, then it will give the zygote with the combination XY, and this zygote is going to turn into a male individual. So, this is the complete mechanism of sex determination. Now, every time the probability of having a girl child or a boy child is 50% during every pregnancy. So, this is the complete mechanism. So, in our today's class, we learned about the definition of sex determination, then we learned about few examples where sex is not genetically determined and they are determined by the temperature. Then we discussed about the sex determination mechanism in human beings. The sex is determined at the time of fertilization. Fertilization occurs in fallopian tube. Males are heterogametic, that is they are going to form the two type of sperm, 50% sperm with X chromosomes, 50% with Y, and females are homogametic, that is they are going to give you the ovum, all the ovum will have the X chromosome. So, this is the complete mechanism that we have discussed. We have discussed about the autosomes, which are 22 pairs and they are same in male and female. One pair of sex chromosome which is different in male, that is XY, and in female the sex chromosome is XX. The complete depiction is in front of you. So, with this this chapter, that is heredity part, is over. If you have any problem, then you can contact. Thank you.